guys know, we did rebuild this truck and it's back again. The customer was really happy with it, the work that we did, and he wanted us to do some more work on it. What are we doing to it here?
I think we're putting on a custom exhaust.
Custom exhaust. So
yeah, so let's go check it out.
Do we have the exhaust or?
Hector, where's that exhaust at? Back seat, bro. Pull it out.
Oh, okay. So it's the tips.
Well, the tips are already on. You got the Tatis too.
Got some tube there too, yes sir. We'll be munching on those when we work.
Nice. All right, so we have the hardware in the back of the truck. Get the box out. Get the hardware.
Is that it? Is this? Yeah.
What brand is that?
Carbon.
Carbon.
Got some nice clamps here.
All right, so now we just need to lift the truck up.
Yes sir.
And pop it on there.
All right, so where does it fit up?
Well, we got to take these clamps loose right here.
What size do we need?
Looks like a 16.
And then back here, same thing?
Yeah. Hey, we messed up, Nate. We didn't show them what it sounds like before. All right, so before we replace the muffler, we are going to start it up.
What is that, like a ground or something?
I have no clue.
It's like a ground, didn't
Wonder what it sounds like right now.
You want to try it?
Got to get in there. It's probably very loud.
It's not even worth it.
Yeah, it ain't worth it. I'm just saying. Yeah, that's a lot of weight reduction right there.
it? It's probably like, what, 30 pounds? About 15.
You have to hold it like that.
You may hold it while you tighten it?
Yeah.
Adjust it right there. Remember it was knocked over?
This truck is basically maxing it out right now. Sounds good, I like it. Sounds real good. It's not too much, and it's not like it's there. It sounds beast, man. All right, guys. let us know in the comment section what you think of the new sound on the truck, and also I'm going to ask Hector what he thinks of his truck. We haven't really asked his opinion yet.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they did a great job. Recommend it 100%.
Thank you. We really do appreciate that.
All right, let's hear what it sounds like coming off
Yeah.
the.
All right, let's see it, Hector. Hit it.